Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about the news that district court ruling permitted AT&T's takeover of Time Warner Media. Before I do so, let's take a look at the stock movement and statistics. AT&T, ticker symbol T. Today, the stock price did not fluctuate too much after this news, but today it was up 0.29%, after hours up 0.29%, past week up 2.19%, past month up 2.25%, past 3 months up 2.86%, past year down 16.33%, and past 5 years down 4.63%. In terms of the stock price movement, capital appreciation, it didn't move up too much. It's pretty stagnant and consistent. But their dividend yield is pretty solid. I believe it's about 7%. So in terms of the 52-week movement, current price of $31.31. It's in between the 52-week range of $26.80 and the high of $37.81. Current market capitalization of $226.68 billion. It's a fairly low PE ratio, and dividend yield is 7%. So this is a very good stock to hold for long term, not for the capital appreciation, but for the dividend yield. So as I mentioned, the district court ruling permitted AT&T's takeover of Time Warner Media. So let's go to the news about it. And this is good news for investors as this provides closure on the merger that potentially could have been stopped. And technically the Justice Department could have asked the judges to hear the appeal or appeal it to the court. And the general counsel, the AT&T's general counsel, says the merger of these innovative companies has already yielded significant consumer benefits and will continue to do so for years to come. While we respect the important role that the U.S. Department of Justice plays in the merger review process, we trust that today's unanimous decision from the D.C. Circuit will end this litigation. So the interesting thing about this merger is that the parent company, AT&T, can now get more fully involved in pricing and staffing at WarnerMedia. So looking at the second article, the Justice Department is standing down in a battle to unwind the merger. And the DOJ spokesperson says, "We're grateful that the Court of Appeals considered objections to the district court opinion, and the department has no further plans to seek further to review." So they don't plan to continue reviewing this merger. And as I mentioned, the DOJ will now stop attempts to unwind a merger that has been closed since last June. And this is huge because the division gives the nation's largest telecom control over CNN, TBS, TNT, Warner Brothers, and HBO. And WarnerMedia CEO John Stankey apparently reached out to NBC chairman Bob Greenblatt in recent weeks to gauge his interest in taking on a major role at the content division. And it would be huge if Greenblatt did go to WarnerMedia because he would bring a lot of entertainment experience to WarnerMedia. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on this merger between AT&T and Time Warner? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.